Yo, what up? All right, we got another Damn Nature, You Scary.
Okay. Damn Nature, You Scary. Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's pretty damn scary.
Oh
Okay.
my god.
Okay, I guess we don't get too close.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
He wanted the phone.
Get that phone out your hand. You can't just leave it.
That nigga wanted to hurt her. Oh my god.
You scared him right to it.
That was a baby. Where's the mama at? Y'all tripping.
God damn.
Is that a zoo or in the wild?
Wild.
Okay.
God damn. You know he about to go down.
That nigga, that dolphin did that shit on purpose.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh. He's gonna scratch my foot.
That's a Texas Longhorn.
damn.
Oh my god. He just scratched my foot.
His head's out the window.
Más para abajo, más para abajo.
Just clean into the bone.
Súbela.
Oh my goodness.
Totally trap. Oh, you really. Oh, he's eating apples from his.
People messing with elephants. Yeah, that's a. Why you got that small ass car? Fucking with elephants. What is that? Oh,
Like this.
yeah. Shark.
Octopus.
Are they poisonous? No.
No.
Oh God, Pete, your pedal's close to that one.
Crocodile. Oh my god, they're all around them.
Sorry.
Right there.
Does it hurt?
It's biting him?
Yeah, his arm.
Oh my goodness. Why is it still holding on?
He probably was trying to carry it like that. That's how it bit his ass. Ah, yeah, snake was coming to get you.
Wow. How did he get in the house?
Ah, yeah, definitely somewhere.
Damn, this nigga. What you-
Drop your foot down in here.
Wait for somebody to fall.
So far in there, we just stood on like the several layers of the ass.
Alright, I'm gonna jump in there and try and get him, guys.
No.
What?
No.
Some dumbass.
Hey, get on. Oh, oh, he's gonna go up. Oh, he's going hard.
Probably rolled by his nest or something.
Oh shit. Get out of there, son.
Oh my goodness. That could have been it. Maybe we saw something like that before.
มีลามด้วยอ่ะมีลาม
He squirted it out though.
Here we go. You've eaten that little one. Jesus Christ! Holy moly! Right in the corner of the jaw.
And crocodiles on.
Holy moly, that was a big boy.
Oh shit. Boom.
Something scared me over here. Y'all see what that was?
Mano, olha o jeito que ele tá, filho. Olha lá, mano.
Ah, yeah.
Ó.
Ah, yeah, here it comes.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh damn, that thing jumped.
I'm going this way.
Oh, that's a hatchback thing.
Yeah,
I thought they
they're smart, they know.
very smart.
กินของกินในรถน่ะ
I ain't messing with no things that big.
Wow, you ever seen anything that big?
No, never.
I think that's two guys in an alligator suit.
Ать, ну чё ты, ну иди сюда, иди сюда, иди сюда, ну привет, мой дорогой. Чё ты, как дела?
This nigga got some good aim.
One reason why I wouldn't fuck with those creatures, man.
Yep.
Well, seems like all they do is
He's
spit in
really
people's
scary.
faces. No need to deal with it.
Please don't come this way.
Are they just walking freely? Is this supposed to be like a sanctuary or something?
I don't like this.
You shouldn't like this. This is a
The bar is that way.
dangerous animal.
Please move.
It got
Please
fangs.
move.
I am not moving.
Come on.
Come on, walk by.
Oh, no!
Damn.
He's a boner.
That's why he was looking at your ass.
Let's go in. Let's go in.
Bam.
Here it comes.
Okay, okay.
How
Go
did
on.
he get in the car? Through the window, I guess.
Other side.
Go. Go.
Go on.
Look at the camera and say goodbye to Hoss.
He got his pet squirrel. Damn. That's what happens. The circle of life.
Man. That guy dog.
This is a stray dog. They got rabies.
Fast as hell.
Damn. Them elephants. Them things. Them things scary. Oh, it's more of them. What are you doing? You in the tub?
Real smart.
Nigga gonna do that in the tub. This nigga got some nunchucks.
Esse aí é o caranguejo do sítio de Niri, ó. Repare isso aqui da Pelemão.
Fucking Sebastian.
A gente foi matar ele tomou a vaca e tá ameaçando todo mundo.
Under the sea.
Yes.
It's just protecting his babies. They somewhere around.
Nah, the geese are terrible, bro. These things will attack you regardless.
Yeah, I keep trying to tell him.
They see this army of people and it's still gonna attack.
Oh yeah, I miss the geese. Is that a snake?
Oh man. That's a cobra.
Oh yeah. Pick up. Yeah, would not be playing.
Teamwork.
Boy.
Fucking ants.
Yeah, probably clean up inside, you know.
That's a lot of ants.
Yeah.
What are they trying to accomplish?
Trying to move into the attic, man. That's what they're doing. Except,
Déjalo que suba hasta la cabeza y te lo quitas, hombre. Porque ahí se te va a coger todo.
Oh my god, I didn't even see that on the back. on his back. This is I was looking at his he got a
And we're
Batman
recording,
belt.
so we've just been looking for barramundi out here and doing a useless wild tour, and we've just been spearing barramundi just along these logs. We've had a little bit of luck, and kind of had to stop and be like, well, gotta be careful because at the end of the day, this is saltwater crocodile country. You can see how crystal clear this water is. And guess what, guys? We were just about to spear a barramundi right here, and then guess what we saw?
A crocodile.
Я боюсь, что ты сейчас. Давай.
That's some good aim. How did it come out the water and shoot him in the face? Thank you. Thank you, bird.
Yeah.
Well, I'll go in the house. I'll go in it. Oh, shit. Damn.
Oh, dude!
Chasing that nigga.
Toch een circuit met in die boom opgejaagd.
That nigga's running fast.
The tree from the hip
Them hip balls. Bite your ass.
Man, put a hole all through you. Ooh.
No.
นี่คือพลังมดนะครับ ดูโอ้โหดูมันต่อกันแถวเลย
We got a worm.
ถอยหลังเดินขึ้นด้วยนี่
The worm like, stop filming and save me, nigga, save me. Damn, they are.
ยาวเลย
These niggas are working. We're gonna eat for months. Is somebody in there? No, it can't be. There's other lines around. It's not just that line.
Yeah, man. Heard about them, exotic like hunting trips and people that go on those safaris, and to like Africa, South Africa, those nature reserves, man. Like,
I've heard about attacks. I've heard about people dying, getting mauled.
Yeah, be careful.
Bear attacks.
Yeah. And I've come to, I've seen enough videos with monkeys that I don't think I need to go to those places that got a whole bunch of monkeys around.
No.
Like, maybe if they're like little itty bitty baby monkeys, but they're like big ass damn near monkeys that could, got fangs and like,
do some
man,
damage.
Like,
Things could bite your fingers off.
I understand that, it's a beautiful thing, right? But
Nature is beautiful.
Right.
But
but also very dangerous. They had
Very
a girl,
dangerous.
she was scared to go to the bar. So I'm just trying to go to the bar on this damn exotic trip I'm on.
That monkey,
Goddamn
like,
monkey
you shall not
sanctuary.
pass.
Man.
He's like, the monkey got a boner. You don't know what that monkey is trying to do. You out there alone with that monkey.
Imagine trying to walk at night down that shit.
Man, that's just like terrifying, man. I remember we staying in Atlanta. Remember, like, the back way we used to walk to Kroger?
Yeah.
Nigga, a couple times, like, because each side is like dense ass woods. You can't even see through that shit. A couple times I thought there was some animals in that shit, nigga. And it's like that fear of, being overpowered by like a mountain lion or a monkey is terrifying.
Bear.
Shit. Bear.
Right.
Yeah, anything like that. So, yeah. I don't know why you would put yourself in that position on purpose.